Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about how you can leverage the art of reciprocation to take your business to the next level. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry. And we specialize in one thing only, getting floor cleaning businesses like yours booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning business owners as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's actually working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. How to leverage reciprocity to improve your floor cleaning business. For years and still today, reciprocity has continued to help people thrive in many ways, and especially in marketing, where it is used as a marketing strategy. The principle of reciprocity talks about the tendency of human nature to want to offer something when something is received. In other words, this principle brings clarity to the saying, I'll scratch your back if you scratch mine. That feeling that you're obliged to do something in return because something good was done for you is the essence of this principle. Reciprocity principle can be a perfect tool for targeting new customers, looking for ways to strengthen the bond with existing clients, boosting referrals and getting more leads, generating revenue without spending too much on advertising, and increasing brand awareness. 5 tips for reciprocity in marketing. Number 1, offer something first. Rather than publishing an ad and hoping that your target audience will feel compelled to make a purchase, offer them something for free first. Besides the fact that it's hard to pass up something for free, it also goes with social norms to feel obliged to return the favor. This attention in exchange for the free offer may be just enough to convert the virtual passerby into a paying customer. So ultimately, this all comes down to kind of the essence of like direct response advertising, where you have a hook, where you have an offer, and you create that fear of missing out. But also it has elements of reciprocity as well, because you're giving something away, something extra, a free room of carpet cleaning, a free hallway, a free odor treatment in all the rooms, 20% off, 10% off, whatever it is, and they feel compelled because you're doing something for them to do something back to you. Now that could be, you know, actually go ahead and schedule, could be like leave you a review because I gave you an amazing special offer, would you be so kind as to give me a review? And they may feel compelled to do that because you did something for them first. Number 2, make customers feel special. Before you go out advertising different discount offers and specials and stuff like that with the expectation that customers will come straight away, take some time to make your customers feel special. You can do this by offering to complete the survey about their floor cleaning preferences, or by letting them choose their free reward, by giving them a little extra attention or freedom to choose their own reward. You're showing them that you genuinely care about them as a valuable customer, not just a potential revenue source. So effectively, you know, maybe you've got like a few different bolt-ons that you can throw in for free. You can choose between a free hallway or a free odor treatment. Today, Mrs. Robinson. And we're also going to throw in a free bottle of spotting kit because you're one of our regular customers. Because you did something for them, they may feel compelled to continue using your business. Reciprocity. Make it memorable. Number 3, though it might be tempting to give away something that is cheap and easy, such as a free magnet or a pen with your company's logo on in hopes of convincing your potential client to make a booking, it can backfire and you might come across as a cheap brand. That's why it's worth to try and make the entire experience a memorable one. Like getting a t-shirt with your company's name on, it's nice or whatever, but it doesn't really add any value to that person's life and it's not really useful, right? It's just more of like a marketing gimmick when you kind of give away like free pens and free t-shirts. Whereas if you're actually giving them something which adds value to their life, which helps them improve it, like a free bottle of spotting kit, like you're going to go and clean the hallway whilst you're in the home for free, and you then go and ask and say, hey, I'll throw in the hallway for free, do you want me to do any of the other rooms while I'm here for an extra X dollars? Because you're giving them something for free, they may then take the upgrade, right? Because of reciprocity, they feel like they should. Wow, he's been such a nice guy, he's given me the spotting kit, he's done the hallway for nothing, he's thrown that in, you know what, I'll get the other 2 rooms done for an extra $150. That's reciprocity at work in that example. You have to give something which will not fade in the minds of your customers. Give them something valuable. Give them something which will make them pleasantly surprised. The other side of the coin, of course, is it doesn't have to be connected to the type of service you offer. You know, one of the things that we do here at Ads Grow Business for our customers is here and there we'll send out some brownies in the post just to thank you for being a customer. It's just a nice personal touch. Shows that you're thinking about them, and it's little things like that that can turn a customer into a customer for life because they feel the need to be loyal to you because you did this nice thing for them. Keep the relationship going. Number 4 on my list. Once the customer has finally booked your service, don't let the relationship end there. Instead, engage them in another social interaction, either by offering yet another reward or by sending them a personal thank you note. One easy tactic that is especially effective is to reward them for referring your business to others. And you'll see there's a whole bunch of other videos on this inside the YouTube channel where I talk about referral schemes, about how you can leverage referrals and effectively the art of reciprocity to kind of take your business to the next level. Building long-term relationships with your customers is one of the best ways to keep the money flowing into your business month after month. Number 5, be generous and genuine. When giving to anyone in business, you should have zero expectation of receiving anything in return. Reciprocity is only as valuable as the original intention, and the act of giving should be sincere and genuine. The customers will always feel the intention and respond positively only when they feel the extra care and genuine eagerness of yours to be the vendor of their choice. Ultimately, what I'm saying here is this: your customers need to feel like you mean it. If this thing that you've done for them for free, or this gesture, comes across as a thinly veiled excuse to get more money out of them, then they're going to see straight through it. You've really got to care about your customers. It's got to come from the heart. You've got to mean it, not expect anything in return. But by giving and being genuine about your giving, the universe will reward you with reciprocity. I hope that makes sense. Final thoughts. The principle of reciprocity offers many benefits businesses can leverage. Knowing how to go about this process and to leverage these opportunities is a big plus. If some acts of reciprocity take more time and preparation, others won't take as long. Just remember that you should act with the idea of customer care and their interests first, and keep that to the front of your mind. As I've just said on the previous slide, it's really about coming from that genuine place. And when you come from that genuine place of care, that is when the universe will reward you with reciprocity. So that's the end of this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it and got some value out of it. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button down below so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis, head down to the description where you'll find a link to our website where you'll be able to book a call. Thanks.